This is our family engagement kindergarten math practice, solve, and play pack. This kit is chock full of supplemental learning resources that are hands-on and will have your kids excited about learning. This is going to help aid in learning recovery after a tough few years. And these kits can be used in after-school programs, in summer programs or camps, as extra resources for teachers in the classroom, or as hands-on materials for digital learners to take home. These kits are especially great for families to do at home together, and it helps build that school to home connection and build your classroom community with parents as well. This kit comes in a sturdy handle bag for kids to take back and forth from school to home easily. It helps keep all the materials organized in one place and also keeps them safe and dry. Now, one of the cornerstones of this kit is our activity and instruction guide. This is a 24-page guide written equally in both English and Spanish. It features a family letter, information on the 4 C's, tips from the classroom, and tips to build math skills. And we find that sending some of this information about what you're doing in the classroom and how to include math in everyday life, sending that home to the parents helps empower them to know what to do and how to best support their learner to help the teachers reach the learning goals for the year and help the student reach their potential. So in this guide, we'll also walk you through each and every piece of the kit. It gives different ideas on how to use it, the first intended use, as well as what it's teaching the student, but also there's extension activities, ways to take it further and maybe use it in a fun, unexpected way to get your student excited about participating. It features 3 double-sided dry erase mats. These ones feature early math and kindergarten appropriate age goals for math, like 10 frames, counting to 10 on a number line, using a grid for number formation and shape formation. And we know that not all families have a dry erase marker at home, so we make sure that's included in the kit to set our families and our students up for success. Beyond the mats, this will also walk you through the journal and how to use it. And this journal is especially fun, teaching the students about shapes and how you put different shapes together to create objects. And it helps them see the real life application of how you see shapes and math in the world around you. So it makes it real and helps them truly become part of math in their everyday life. Next, we feature a game. All of our kits will feature a game for 2 to 4 players. This is great for small group work in a classroom, but again, especially great for families to do together, to play with siblings or babysitters or mom and dad or grandparents. And it just helps them connect over curriculum and talk about things in a new way that maybe they're not hearing in the classroom. So this particular game is a more than, less than alien sort. What kid doesn't love aliens, right? So this helps children understand that numbers are associated with quantities and amounts, and that helps when you get into that concept of more and less with numbers. We also featured 10 double-sided dry erase task cards. These can be used with our manipulatives, and these are farm counting animals. And these cards will feature patterning, counting, sorting, and even classifying. So different ways that students can think about these animals, but also count and include math. So in a fun, themed way, helps them get a little bit out of the concept and having more fun so they don't even know they're learning. Beyond the task cards, we even include a 30-day calendar. This can be done in the classroom, or at home, families can do 1 activity per day to bring math more into their lives. And this is especially great for young children because when you practice something every day, you develop that fluency and that confidence that the kids need to be successful. So we hope you enjoy these kits and have fun building that school to home connection.